Greenhouse gas emissions, particularly carbon dioxide, trap heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Burning fossil fuels like coal, oil, and natural gas releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Deforestation reduces the amount of trees that absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Methane emissions from agriculture, livestock, and landfills contribute to global warming. Industrial processes like cement production and chemical manufacturing emit large amounts of carbon dioxide. Transportation, including cars, trucks, planes, and ships, emits carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. Land use changes, such as converting forests into agricultural land, can release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Population growth and urbanization lead to increased energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. Human activities like mining and drilling release greenhouse gases and disrupt ecosystems. Melting permafrost in the Arctic releases large amounts of methane and carbon dioxide. Changes in land and ocean use alter the balance of carbon dioxide absorption and emission. The use of fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Livestock production, including cattle and sheep, produces methane emissions. Increased consumption of meat and dairy products has led to a rise in methane emissions from livestock. Changes in weather patterns, such as droughts and floods, can lead to changes in carbon absorption and emissions. The release of fluorinated gases from refrigeration and air conditioning systems contributes to global warming. The manufacturing and disposal of electronic devices, including smartphones and laptops, contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Black carbon, or soot, released from burning fossil fuels and biomass contributes to global warming. Industrial farming practices contribute to increased greenhouse gas emissions. Changes in ocean chemistry and circulation can alter the absorption of carbon dioxide in the ocean. Changes in the Earth's albedo, or reflectivity, due to melting ice and snow cover can contribute to global warming. Deforestation and land use changes contribute to the loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services that can mitigate climate change. Changes in ocean currents and temperatures can affect the absorption and release of greenhouse gases. Changes in the amount and type of vegetation can affect the amount of carbon dioxide absorbed and released. Changes in permafrost and frozen soil can affect the amount of methane released. Changes in water availability and quality can affect the absorption and release of greenhouse gases. Changes in agricultural practices, such as crop rotation and conservation tillage, can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Changes in building codes and energy efficiency standards can reduce energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions from buildings. The use of renewable energy sources, such as wind and solar power, can reduce greenhouse gas emissions from energy production. Changes in consumer behavior, such as reducing meat consumption and using public transportation, can reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Regenerate response. Thanks for watching.